Holykell places much emphasis on product quality. We have strict quality inspection process to ensure our product quality. 4 steps of Holykell quality inspection introduction. Number 1. Incoming material inspection. Firstly, our IQC team examines each batch of materials. Only qualified materials are accepted, and the unacceptable ones will be placed in the defects area and undergo a return process. Number 2. In process inspection. Before bulk production, we inspect the first sensor. Three times of inspection are conducted by the operator, the team leader, and the dedicated inspector. Number 3. Finished goods inbound inspection. Prior to final production, we conduct functional and appearance tests. The functional test includes 3 tests of EMC, insulation and calibration tests. Number 4. Outbound product inspection. Prior to product shipment, we perform final factory inspection to make sure products well delivered. All products will be tested for at least 36-72 hours before shipping to the customers. Contact us for more details.